I like these, I think they're brilliant. This plastic post material, you see it's recycled plastic, can you see that on the end? It's very dense. It cuts really easily with my chop saw. It's made from recycled plastic, so that's got to be good. It's black, it comes in every colour, that as long as it's black, it drills all right. I was doing this yesterday and the drill overheated and got very hot. And you can see why, because it's quite a struggle to get through. But 13mm auger drill bit, it's doing the job. It cuts all right. It comes in 3 metre lengths. If you leave it in the sun too long, it will bend. No damp will come up these, because these won't suck up the moisture from the ground, so they won't rot and the boards won't rot, and the deck should last a long time. Yes, they aren't cheap. I got these for £25, but they normally retail plus VAT about £43 for a 3.1 metre length. So there you go, recycled plastic posts.